Hello and welcome. According to the Pathfinder poll application, in this video I will try to review the Wisdomise project. Let's start. While I'm recording this video, Wisdomise project is located around 2000 place on CoinGecko and it has a market cap around $7 million. Let's go to the webpage and check the slogan first. The slogan is telling us AI insights and intelligent trading, and we can see a user interface on the right with altcoins. So this slogan and this user interface is telling us that this project is providing valuable insights and data by using artificial intelligence, and we can make intelligent trading by using this data. We will try to understand better the project in a minute, but first let's go to the CoinGecko and check the basics. So CoinGecko is telling us that this total supply and maximum supply is 1 billion, which is correct. The project is confirming this number. Hopefully it will not increase. In this video we will assume this is a fixed number. For circulation supply, we can see a number around 400 million, and this is correct as well. We can make our own calculation by checking the Explorer Polygon scan by clicking this link. So the project's token is located on Polygon. Basically, it has been minted on some other chains as well, but we can avoid them. It is okay. The main token is located on Polygon. So I will continue this video as this project currently has 40% of circulation supply. When we come to the chart, we can confirm it has been listed on CoinGecko for the last 1 year. 1 year on CoinGecko and 40% of circulation supply is telling us that this project is a young project. When we come to markets, we confirm that it has been listed on some known exchanges, around 7 or 8 exchanges. Before going deeper, let's have a quick summary. According to the tokenomics, the risk is between medium and low. It is closer to the medium. According to the price and chart, the risk is between medium and low. It is closer to the low. According to the markets, the risk is nearly zero. We will continue with GitHub, but when I click GitHub, as you can see, there is only one share, and it is the token contract. So basically, this project does not have an official GitHub currently. If you know any other official link, please share and I will be happy. According to the Twitter, the posts are coming up regularly. There is no problem on Twitter. We only cannot give a check mark according to the GitHub as for now. Let's go back to the webpage and now try to understand the project, and then we will go through the webpage as fast as possible. So the project is located on Polygon, and Polygon is located on Ethereum as we know, and the project is Wisdomise. Let's put Ethereum on the left, and it is being interacted with Polygon, since the Polygon is acting as a layer 2 on Ethereum, and Wisdomise project is also located on Polygon. So the token is located on Polygon, and of course it is located on Ethereum as well. Both tokens are same, and the Wisdomise project is basically giving us a service under an application, and this application we can reach with this link, which we will see in a minute, is providing valuable data by using artificial intelligence from the crypto industry. So the crypto industry consists of many elements like social media accounts, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap tokens, liquidities, etc. So this project is providing valuable information from the crypto industry into the application. And when we use the application, we can use this data to make intelligent trading. So this is the key model of this project. Of course, while we are interacting with the application, we need to make some subscriptions. We need to pay some fees at some certain areas. And if we want to reach some exclusive content, we need to make some things. So basically for these kinds of things, for some of them we can use USDT, etc. but for some of them, we need to use WSDM tokens, which is the token of this project, Wisdomise project. So this is the basic model of the project, and the project keeps working for adding new utilities and features to the application. For example, traders club, and for example, some loyalty programs, etc. So the product is already live and working, and the team of the project is using their own products and making trades and making videos on YouTube with these trades. So this is actually a great thing, which we'll see in a minute. So this is the basic model of the project. After understanding this, let's go through the web page as fast as possible. Following the slogan, there is this link which is forwarding to the application. I will click at the end of the web page. We can see the exchanges in here. We can see a very small tutorial in here with 3 steps. And the first step, discover with the radars. Second step, validate with AI insights, and then automate your strategy. When we go down a little bit more, we can see a social radar example. As you can see in here, it is telling us Wisdomise social radar scanned 1.49k posts in the last 24 hours. So we can use these data if we are interested. So if you want to see more, we need to upgrade the Pro, or if we click discover more, it will forward us to the application. We will see this in a minute under the application. When we go down a little bit more, we can see Estonia, Switzerland, and United Arab Emirates with the explanation of the company details. So the company already registered under 3 countries, as we can see in here. So we ended up with the web page, as you can see in here. So the social links located in here. YouTube is the most important one currently. When I click the YouTube, I can see more than 100 videos and a good background. So the story in the YouTube channel is good for this project. 2 years ago, first videos about the idea and the developments. 1 year ago, the videos about the guides, the tutorials, which is telling us that the product is ready. And for last 1 year, as we can see here, the team members are using their own products and they're creating videos with AI insights and trades. So the story on their YouTube channel is showing all the history of the project, which is a proper history for a crypto project. And the other important one is the medium link, block shares. So block shares has stopped around August 2024, but it's still okay because after releasing the product and after some time, it is normal to make the blog posts lesser than before. So the next one is the coin radar. It will be forwarding us to the application. I will check it in a minute. Tone Auto Trader. This one is a Telegram application which is working. So we have a Tone Auto Trader under this project. And then Wisdomise Miner Game. This is forwarding us to a Telegram bot as well. We have a miner game as well under this project. The next one is the WSDM token, which is very important for us. Let's come to this page. We can see some information about the token. These information are complying with the CoinGecko as well. When we go down a little bit, we can see some other information. We can see some staking information. We will see in the application as well. When we go down, we can see the audit with Certic and Zokyo. You can see rank A and score 99. And when we go down a little bit more, we can see the token utilities, which is very important for us. Luck for free subscription, lower fees, private perks and exclusive access, and protection from loss. So majority of these utilities are already working. So when we go down a little bit more, we can see the roadmap, and in the roadmap, many things are already handled. They're currently working, and some features like Solana Dex, Auto Trader, etc. are coming soon, and some features like Whale Radar are already just arrived, and on the horizon, we have Educational Hub, Traders Club, and Loyalty Program. When we go down a little bit more, we can see some FAQs, frequently asked questions, and we have finalized the token page as well. I will not click pricing because we will see inside of the application, and there is this About Us link. Under About Us, we can confirm the team, backers, and partners. You can check the backers and partners. You can check the advisors as well. For the team, they look like NFT photographs. Their names, they look like hidden, but they are not. You can see the LinkedIn links on top of their pictures. These links are working, and if you go to their LinkedIn's, if you get their names, and if you write to YouTube Wisdomise plus their names, you will be able to see they are active in front of the camera as well. And the project is getting a fully check mark from the team as well. Now let's go to the top. We will see Coin Radar in the application. We have mentioned on authority trader. Under the WSDM token, we have bridge and we have staking. I will not click luck because we will see it in the application. So pricing we will see in the application, and company which we have already checked. So we have a bridge which we can switch our tokens between chains only for WSDM token, and we have this staking page. And under this staking page, we can see active pools. It means that these pools are not active all the time. They are being created and then they are dying. So currently, as we can see in here, there is a 30% of stake yield, which is actually a bit high than normal. They are trying to distribute the circulation supply, as I understand. So now let's go to the application itself. So let's go to the application with a new tab. So if you're coming to this page first time, you need to write your email and get a code, which is looking really safe. I have already done that part. And in the application page, we see there are two main parts, and one of them is account and the other one is Coin Radar. We will start with account. As you can see in here, there is this overview. You can see everything on one page as a summary. Profile, we can create a profile, back photo, profile photo, some details. And under this subscription, we can see this subscription to use the pro version of this application. Currently, I'm not using it. So we can see the dollar worth of monthly subscription. But if we lock our WSDM tokens in this page, we will be able to get the subscription done by the locked tokens. I did not test it. If you test it and if you know the result, if you leave a message under this video, I will be happy. So if you like to use this application and if you're comfortable with it and if you think it's very beneficial, you can create your own referral link and you can tell your friends to start using this application. And the other one is the Coin Radar. Again, an overview page. We can see the summary. And then the technical radar using the RSI and MACD insights. As a technical analysis, we can see the projects which are expensive and bearish, and we can see the projects which are cheap and bullish. But to see cheap and bullish projects, we need to upgrade to Pro. So we can see some detailed information below. This is the summary one, which is the most important one, and the other one is the social radar. When we come to this page, we can see the social radar results as positive projects and negative projects, as you can see in here. But if we want to see more, of course, we need to upgrade to Pro. The next one is the whale radar. We can see the most of the whales, and to see them, we need to upgrade to Pro Plus. And the last one is the My Alerts. If you want to create an alert according to your preference, you can click Set Alert and you can follow these links and you can create your own alert. So we have checked the webpage, we have tried to understand the project, the team, YouTube channel, and the application itself. Now, let's try to analyze the project. Let's start with the negatives. The first negative thing is the GitHub. We cannot follow the developments under GitHub, but for this project, actually, it is kinda normal because this project is heavily Web 2 and AI based, as you can see. That is why the GitHub situation is not too much important, but we need to know this project is heavily Web 2. The other one is the adoption and the competition. Currently, there is a huge competition under AI name and AI agents taking over the industry. That is why these kinds of solid projects cannot show themselves easily. This is creating a bad situation in the marketing competition. So this is on the one hand, and the other one is the adoption. So this project is not really easy for regular crypto users. And when they come to this page, they need to upgrade to Pro to use the systems, which is creating a small obstacle, which is actually not really important for me, but for new users, it can be challenging. So the adoption and the competition are the negative, sensitive things for this project, but the positive things, the story under YouTube channel is telling us everything. So the history of the project is solid. They have created the idea, they have created the application, and now they are using their own application and making new videos. The application is running, and on the roadmap, we see some loyalty programs, traders club, etc. Good things are on the horizon, and the AI infrastructure already working. We can confirm the team as well, and they are active in front of the camera as well. These positive signs are more than the negative parts for this project. Now let's try to analyze price-wise. If we are entering a huge bull market, the movement of the price for me would be same like this one and this one, as we can see in here, a jump and then a bit drop, a jump and then a bit drop. Of course, the question is after the huge bull market, when the bear market arrives, if the price will go lower than the point it has started to increase. So I think the risk is low at this point if there is no huge hacks or if there is no huge team problems for this project. I do not expect after a bull market the price to drop lower than the point it has started to increase. If we are not entering a huge bull market, if we are still in the sideways or bear market, I expect this project's price to go lower very slowly. I do not expect a huge price drop. So according to the location on CoinGecko, we assumed the ranking is 2000. If you ask me for short and middle term, this project can move between 1500 to 2000. Actually, this project deserves more than 1500, but which I have mentioned 2 minutes ago, AI, agents, and etc. These things are blocking the crypto industry to show these kinds of projects in the front. That is why there is a blockage. This project can move between 1500 to 2000 for short and middle term. And after this middle term, we need to keep an eye on this project if we are interested. The YouTube videos should continue to be published with their own product continuously, and we need to see the development is ongoing. If these things are happening without a huge hack and without a huge team problem, after middle term, I expect this project can move higher than 1500. And hopefully, if everything goes well, If the insights are really valuable and making the people earn, then we can assume a jump on the location more than 1000 in the middle and long term. So actually everything is positive for this project for me. The only thing that I do not expect is a huge move in the ranking. The move can be slow but looks positive. So these are all the things that I can say for this project. Please do not forget, nothing is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.